I greet you again, visitor, and welcome you to my YouTube channel. The only request I have of you is to watch 50 seconds, 1 minute of this video clip, and according to the title you will definitely appreciate this posted clip. In the clip presented today I will talk/explain about bears. Keepers of natural balance. Bears are large, imposing mammals that belong to the family S.U.S.C.R.I.B.E and are distributed in various regions of the world, from boreal forests in the far north to high mountains and tropical forests. Over time, bears have become the subject of legends, stories, and myths in various cultures, symbolizing both strength and courage as well as danger and protection. However, beyond cultural symbolism, bears play a crucial role in their ecosystems and represent a particularly interesting group of animals from a biological and ecological point of view. Evolution and diversity of bears. Bears belong to the order Carnivora and evolved about 20 million years ago from a common ancestor with other carnivorous mammals. Currently, there are 8 species of bears, divided into 3 subfamilies: Ursini, Tremarctini, and Ailuropodini. Bear species. 1. Brown bear. Ursus arctos, one of the most famous and widespread bear species, found in Europe, Asia, and North America. Its subspecies include the famous grizzly bear and the Kodiak bear. 2. Polar bear. Ursus maritimus, specialized for life in the Arctic. The polar bear is the largest of the bears and one of the best swimmers in the animal world. 3. American black bear. Ursus americanus, a common species in North America, known for its adaptability and wide range of habitats. For Asiatic black bear, Ursus tibetanus, found in East Asia, this bear is known for its white crescent-shaped collar. 5. Giant panda bear. Ailuropode melanoluca, endemic to China. This iconic bear is known for its almost exclusively bamboo-based diet. 6. Spectacled bear. Tremarctos ornatus, the only bear species in South America, recognized for the white patches around the eyes, which give it the name spectacled bear. 7. Malayan bear. Hylarctos malayanus, the smallest of the bears. It lives in the tropical forests of Southeast Asia and is known for its long tongue, adapted to extract honey from beehives. 8. Sloth bear. Molursus ursinus, found in India and Sri Lanka. This bear has a long nose and tongue adapted to feed on termites and ants. Origin and adaptations of species. Bears have evolved in a diverse context, spreading across multiple continents and adapting to a variety of habitats and diets. For example, the polar bear has perfectly adapted to the harsh conditions of the Arctic, developing dense white fur that helps it camouflage in the snow, and a thick layer of fat that insulates it thermally. On the other hand, the panda has specialized its diet almost entirely on bamboo, which has led to anatomical adaptations such as the false thumb, a modified wrist bone that allows it to more effectively grasp bamboo stalks. Bamboo. Habitat and geographical distribution. Bears are spread over several continents, each species occupying specific habitats that provide them with the resources necessary for survival. Specific habitats. 1. Brown bears occupy a wide range of habitats, from coniferous forests and Arctic tundra to temperate and deciduous forests. 2. Polar bears live exclusively in Arctic regions, where sea ice plays an essential role in hunting seals, their main food source. 3. American black bears are highly adaptable, being found in both dense forests and mountainous areas, and even near human settlements. 4. Asiatic black bears prefer the montane forests and forested hills of Asia, where they have access to a varied diet of fruits, nuts, and insects. 5. The giant panda is restricted to the mountains of central China, where dense bamboo forests provide it with both food and shelter. 6. Spectacled bears live in the humid forests of the South American Andes, where dense vegetation provides them with a diet rich in fruits and plants. 7. Malayan bears live in the tropical forests of Southeast Asia, where they feed on a variety of fruits, insects, and honey. 8. Sloth bears prefer the arid habitats and open forests of India and Sri Lanka, specializing in eating termites and ants. Adaptations to the environment. Each species of bear has developed specific adaptations to survive in its environment. For example, the polar bear has large, fur-covered paws that allow it to walk on ice without slipping and swim efficiently. In contrast, pandas have a digestive tract adapted to process bamboo, although they remain biologically carnivorous. Bear behavior and ecology. Bears are solitary animals, except for the mother and her cubs, and have large territories that they patrol in search of food. Their behavior is influenced by seasonality, food availability, and the need to hibernate during the winter in some species. Hibernation. Hibernation is an essential adaptive process for bears living in regions with harsh winters and limited resources. During hibernation, their metabolism slows significantly, reducing their body temperature and heart rate. Brown and black bears are known for their prolonged hibernation, which can last up to 7 months, during which they do not eat, drink, or eliminate bodily waste. Communication and social behaviors. Bears communicate through a variety of sounds, smells, and visual signals. For example, brown bears mark their territories by rubbing against trees and leaving their scent on the bark. They can also make various sounds, such as grunts or grunts, to express their mood or to warn their fellows of impending danger. Diet and eating behaviors. Although most bears are considered carnivores, their diet is largely omnivorous and varies considerably between species. Panda bears, for example, feed almost exclusively reed with bamboo, while polar bears are strict carnivores, specializing in hunting seals. On the other hand, brown and black bears have a very varied diet, consuming everything from fruits and nuts to insects, fish, and even rodents. Relationship with people. Throughout history, bears have had a complex relationship with humans, being respected, feared, and often hunted. In many cultures, bears are considered symbols of strength and courage, and are often associated with gods or protective spirits. Bear conservation. Many bear species are threatened due to habitat loss, illegal hunting, and climate change. For example, the giant panda bear was long considered endangered, but intensive conservation efforts in China have led to an increase in its population, although it remains vulnerable. Similarly, polar bears face the threat of melting Arctic glaciers, which reduce their habitat and access to food. Human-bear conflicts. As bear habitats are fragmented by human activities, conflicts between bears and humans are becoming more common. Bears may attack households or farms in search of food, leading to retaliation by humans. In tourist areas, bears are sometimes attracted to garbage left by people, which can lead to dangerous conflicts. The ecological role of bears. Bears play an essential role in maintaining the ecological balance of their habitats. As top predators, they regulate the populations of other species and contribute to the overall health of ecosystems. For example, grizzly bears, which consume large amounts of salmon, help disperse nutrients from fish into terrestrial ecosystems, enriching the soil and promoting vegetation growth. Dispersal of seeds. Bears are also important seed dispersers, contributing to forest regeneration. By consuming fruits and then spreading their feces in different areas, bears help distribute seeds and increase plant biodiversity. Conclusion. Bears are fascinating animals and essential to the health of their ecosystems. Although their relationship with humans is often complex and conflictual, the conservation of these majestic creatures is crucial to maintaining biodiversity and natural balance. By understanding their behavior, ecology, and needs, we can find ways to peacefully coexist and protect these magnificent animals for future generations.